Hello and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we're going to install your new Korky Fill Valve. Before we get started, let's talk about what makes the Korky Smart Valve different. All other fill valves will continue to bring water into the tank if there is a worn flapper causing a slow leak or a flapper hang-up resulting in a severe and costly leak. When a leak is detected, the Korky Smart Valve turns itself off. If you notice when you go to flush that your tank is empty, the Smart Valve has saved you water and money by detecting a leak. Need to flush? No problem. Just hold down the lever for a few seconds to reset the valve and you're back to flushing. Now, on to the installation. Shut off the water supply to your toilet. Place a bucket underneath your tank to catch any excess water. Disconnect your water supply line and remove the mounting nut. Remove the old fill valve. Turn the top of your new fill valve counterclockwise and pull up to fully extend. Place the valve in the tank and press down until the corner of the red cover lines up with the top of the flush valve. Lock the fill valve in place by twisting the upper half clockwise. Make sure the rib on the top of the valve lines up with the pegs on the bottom half. Attach the red chain to the tilt cup tab on the side that provides a direct path to the flush lever. The red chain is unique to the Korky Smart Valve. Its purpose is to reset the valve if it detects a leak. Place the locked valve in the tank. Screw on the mounting nut. Next, hold down the handle as if you were flushing. Extend the red chain to the flush lever hole next to the flapper chain. Attach the hook to the chain and then attach to the flush lever. If there is no direct path to the flush lever, attach the hook to the 14th chain link and then clip to the cover of the fill valve. Now, press down on the handle as if you were flushing. Provide enough slack so that the tilt cup tilts and the flapper lifts when you flush. This will allow the fill valve to reset properly if there is a leak. Adjust the chain length if needed. Insert the metal clip into the refill tube and attach the clip to the flush valve. Make sure the refill tube has a direct path to the fill valve. Trim the tube if needed and then attach to the fill valve. Reattach the water supply line. Turn the water supply on and wait for the tank to fill completely. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Korky Fill Valve.